Okay. So with routing, basically when a user sends a request, and let's say it's port 3000, and then there's port 3000 forward slash, so it's going to request that, and then the server is going to check if we have forward slash info in our routing. So when it finds forward slash info, it's going to respond with the info page. Same thing if there's forward slash contact, it's going to respond with contact us. So what this if it does, it checks whether the request route is defined in the map, in the route response map. So basically the info, the contact about the hello or the error message. So that's what this if takes. So just to show, where is that? Sample routes, ne? Hopefully, it will listen to allow the port 3000. There we go. All right. So when it's just localhost 3000, it will display the welcome, and then if I do localhost forward slash about, it will display learn more about us. So if I do this forward slash about, so it checks that out. So it will check the forward slash. So because about learn more about us, contact contact. So that's what that does. So let's go with the route with the timer in Main.js. This one basically you can decide how quick or how slow you want the response to be. I think the reason why mine takes a bit of time to respond is because I changed it. Because as you can see, it takes a bit of time. Let me quickly see the code. Simple routes. Yeah. So that's why it takes a bit of time. So that's what that it does. So the summary: in this lesson, you learn how to handle requests and respond with viewable HTML endpoint as server root by identifying request contents, and you can process data from a request and separate response content based on target URLs. Lesson 6, Getting Better Routes and Serving External Files. So this lesson covers serving entire HTML files by using the FS module, serving static assets, and creating router modules.
You know you're on Unit 2, right?
I am, right? Why am I on Unit 2 though?
Unit 1 ends at 7, lesson 7.
And I was on lesson 6, so I'm still fine. Let me see. Did 5. Yeah, I was still fine. Sorry.
Cool.
Yeah, I've got dry mouth. I'm not used to talking this long.
No problem.
Yeah. With the goal of I don't have to read that. So create a new project called serve_html. Within that folder, create a blank main.js file. So I raise that serve.html. There we go. Alright. So because I've already done this, most of the things that they say I would have to add here are already here. So I'll just be explaining as I go through. I create the HTML, the index. Alright. So we created the index.html file. So the client can see this page rendered in a browser only with the help of another Node.js core module FS, which interacts with the file system on behalf of your application. Through the FS module, your server can access the read your index.html file. So, David, are you there? I want to ask you a question. Okay. David has a problem with Discord. He says it's bugging, so I'll just go through. So my question was going to be, if without the FS module, you won't be able to access the HTML files. That's what I wanted to ask. So first, require the FS module into a constant such as HTTP. With the FS constant, you can specify a particular file in the relative directory, in this case a file called index.html within the views folder, then create a route map to pair routes files on your server. Next, locate and read the file contents of the file in your route mapping. FS read file returns any potential errors that may have occurred in the file's contents in two separate parameters, error and data. Last, use the data value as the response body being returned to the client. Okay.